A home inspection helps a buyer discover any issues with a home before the closing. The buyer is responsible for selecting and paying the home inspector. But if the inspection report calls for repairs to be made, who pays for them? There are three typical outcomes. The seller can agree to make the repairs prior to closing. The seller can credit the buyer for the cost of repairs, or the buyer can assume the cost of repairs themselves. An exception would be if a home is being sold as is, which means that for whatever reason, the seller has made it clear up front that they are unwilling or unable to pay for fixing anything. In any case, sellers are not required to fix things, even upon request. Keep in mind that sellers are normally not too excited about spending money on a property they are vacating. In most cases, the best solution is for the buyer and seller to come to a compromise where they agree to share in the costs so that the transaction can be finalized. Lastly, even with a home inspection, in most states, sellers are still responsible for disclosing any known material defects.